There goes There's the tail waggle. There they are.
They grumping? Did a lot of grumping on the way out. When you pick him up, he grumps. Because I think because he's twice the weight he was. There's only one puppy bigger than him, and that's Snoopy right now.
Stop him off to see if he had to pee?
Huh?
Did you let him down outside to see if he had to pee?
You want to see a puppy?
Grumpy, you got the potty. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Oh. You should put the bed in.
That's your new little buddy, Sheebs.
Giving Sheba kisses.
He's all yours, Sheba.
I don't know about these black dogs, man. They disappear when it turns.
Where you going?
Come here, puppy. Come here, Blackie.
Oh, he's leaking now. She must be making him nervous.
Puppy.
No, you got to pee too, huh?
You're doing, silly. I don't own you. Go see your mama. Go see your mama. Come on.
I guess we'll take a little squirt, if nothing else.